In this video, I'm going to show you how to connect Gusto to QuickBooks Online. So the first thing you want to do, you want to come to Gusto's dashboard, which is on app.gusto.com, and you want to sign into your account. And then you want to go ahead, click on the very top right where it says your profile name essentially. Click on that and click on App Directory. In here, you want to go to find an app and you want to search for QuickBooks. There we go, QuickBooks, okay? And then under search results, you will see different QuickBooks. Now, to sync to QuickBooks Online, you want to click on Learn More next to QuickBooks Online, like this. And then it will take you to this page over here where you can then click on Connect to QuickBooks. So over here, once you do this, it's going to open up a separate tab inside your browser over here. And then in here, you'll be able to then just basically connect it very easily. So over here, as you can see, it says, sorry, but Gusto didn't connect, and you can then view the error details in case that's happening to you as well. For me, it says that unfortunately, the app you've selected isn't available for use in your country. So in case that happens to you, then unfortunately, you may have the issue where you're not in the correct country. However, if you are in the right country, you're not going to get this issue, and then you'll just simply get a connect button over here, and then you'll be able to connect your Gusto to QuickBooks Online via a button on here on your screen. But this is how you do it. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.